everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope you are ready for a new video because I'm excited about this one. If you are a Harry Potter fan like me, this is Harry Potter inspired, and we're going to be making our own version of butterbeer, non-alcohol involved. But there are apparently recipes with alcohol, which is really interesting, and I found out butterbeer was a real thing, and it's cool. So we're gonna make the kind of more flavorful, non-alcoholic drink, I guess you could say. I don't even know if I said the right word for that alcohol thing, but that's okay. We're gonna make that today, and I hope you guys are ready to enjoy it because I'm excited to do that.
Crossroads, painting over the signs, yeah. Pulling myself out of the futon, I get my hoodie and my shoes on, yeah. Treading water till the phone goes, running over my lines again. But they're turning inside out, and it's bringing me down, 'cause I never say what I wanna say. Argue on the high street. She wants clothes, he wants a TV. Everyone is standing at the crossroads, painting over the signs again. Pulling myself out of my headspace, I realize I'm in the same place, yeah. Treading water till the phone goes, running over my lines again.
And you may have a tall blender. You're going to want to put your excess one into a bowl, and it will tell you what else you need to do from there. We have the rest of the cream soda of the 32 ounces you'll need in here. Then we're going to put the ice in and blend it. And we'll go from there.
Don't understand that I need to be heard, and I'm going to find the right words. I never say what I want to say. I'm just a puppet in my own play. I don't understand why you don't understand that I need to be heard, and I'm gonna find the right words. Wanna go to the beach when it's raining and take my time. I wanna have my life and do my own thing and make it mine. So don't you bring me down. I never say what I wanna say. I'm just a puppet in my own play. I don't understand why you don't.
Like we do, just mix the mixture until it's combined, unless you have a really big blender. But this is going... Okay, and you can put Cool Whip on it if you like, or don't, you know, whipped cream, that's okay. But mix until all the ingredients are combined. We're gonna have an extra batch of butterbeer. Alright guys, so once you've finished making your butterbeer, it's time to taste it, so let's see how it's doing. That's actually good. Go ahead.
Cold.
What do you think, Holly?
It's good.
That is good. So guys, this Harry Potter butterbeer video experience was a success. I love this mixture of recipe of butterbeer. If you guys would like to see the recipe, I'll leave a link in the description to the recipe so you can make it your own self. if you did not understand how I did it in this video, but I hope you did. And I hope you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments what you think of it.
In my kitchen, in Arkansas, the cow print.
Don't forget to
The
subscribe
black
to my
and
channel
white
for more,
cow
and
print.
slap a like on this
I had it
video
on my
so that you know you love it,
dishwasher.
and that we know you love it.
Uh,
And also, don't forget to slap that bell
my
icon
stove.
so you never miss another video.